So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of footage on my timeline, and now let's make it easier to select them out and work around with it with even more efficiency. So to do that, what you can do is you can add in color marks to them. So to add in color marks, simply right click on the footage you want to add in color mark to, and then over here you can see that you can select around a specific color. So let's say I want to mark this red right here, and then you can see that it has been marked red. I'm going to go around and do the same with this one, and I'm going to do the same with this one right here. So they are marked red. And then what I can do is I can right click and mark something else like green right here. And for this one as well, I'm going to mark it green. So I have color coded my video footages, as you can see, and 2 of them are green and 3 of them are red. So what becomes easier after you do this is you can right click and select all the clips with the same color mark. So let's say, for example, if I were to select this clip and right click and click on select all clips with same color mark, then you can see that these 3 video footages get selected at the same time. So I can go around and then select all of them just like that. So I'm just going to undo that round right here so that I get back over here. I can do the same with the green as well. Right click and select all clips with the mark, so I can go ahead and work around with these 2 footages at the same time, as you can see. So if you got a bunch of items that you need to select at the same time, then you can color mark and select with color mark inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.